When the iPhone SE3 was first introduced in 2022, it received harsh criticism from both Apple fans and expert reviews. Nevertheless, it continued to hold a special place in the hearts of those who value the affordable Apple phone series. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, a highly regarded Apple analyst, it appears that we shouldn't expect an iPhone SE4 anytime soon. The speculations around the arrival of an iPhone SE4 have been wild, with numerous claims contradicting one another. We'll go into detail about it in this video and discuss any potential adjustments that might result from it. So let's get going. Today, in a recent tweet, Ming-Chi Kuo revised his earlier predictions regarding the release of a new iPhone SE. Previously, he speculated that the device might be launched in 2025 or 2026. However, he has now shifted his perspective and suggests that Apple has no immediate plans to produce an iPhone SE within the next 2 years. The release schedule of the iPhone SE has been characterized by its unpredictability. The initial generation made its debut in 2016, followed by a significant 4-year gap before the arrival of a second generation in 2020. Subsequently, the 2022 model was introduced last year. This erratic pattern of releases suggests that it's challenging to make definite predictions about the future release of an iPhone SE, as Apple has demonstrated a tendency for an irregular timeline. Also, does this mean Apple has given up on his budget series? Actually, it's hard to confirm by ourselves. Maybe Apple's shifting towards higher price models in the future, such as the rumored iPhone 15 Ultra. However, the market demand for mid-range phones is currently at an all-time high, indicating potential opportunities for profitability. Nonetheless, it appears that Apple is inclined to maintain its association with pricier and more premium models, which may imply your reluctance to extensively focus on the budget segment. Exciting changes are on the horizon for the iPhone SE4, as Apple plans to implement a 6.1-inch OLED display, according to a report by The Elec. The display, sourced from China's Bo, is said to be identical to the one featured in the iPhone 13 model. By utilizing components from previous devices, there is a likelihood that the iPhone SE4 will maintain a lower price point while offering an upgraded display experience. This development hinted an enticing combination of budget-friendly pricing and enhanced visual quality for the upcoming iPhone SE4. The iPhone SE4 is anticipated to mark a significant departure from the traditional home button design, potentially adopting the sleek design of the iPhone XR. This shift implies that Apple may need to explore alternative methods of incorporating biometric authentication into its new budget smartphone. While the possibility of incorporating Face ID with a notch exists, it's considered less likely due to the higher prediction costs associated with that technology. A more plausible solution would be the continuation of Touch ID, utilizing the side button as seen in Apple's more affordable iPad models. This approach allows with Apple's past practices and offers a feasible option for maintaining biometric authentication in the iPhone SE4. The chipset that will drive the iPhone SE4 remains uncertain and raises significant speculation. The current iPhone SE3 is equipped with an A15 processor. In order to enhance the raw performance of the SE series, Apple would need to transition the A16 chipset, which is rumored to come with a high production cost, or potentially adopt a more advanced SLC. It's important to note that circumstances could evolve significantly before the release of the iPhone SE4, leading to potential changes in the planned chips and overall performance of the device. In short, the upcoming budget iPhone is said to make a significant change by replacing its traditional LCD display with a modern OLED screen. This shift, combined with the sleek design, may attract a considerable number of users who are hesitant to invest in Apple's high-end iPhones. We appreciate you watching our video. If you think this video is useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this in your feed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.